So I got the last chip challenge. I've never actually done one of these, and I think I'm like a year behind on the trend. But I wanted to try it because I'm stupid. I think I handle heat fairly well, but I know these are like, they exaggerate the ingredients. They put extract in it and stuff like that to make it just even worse. It has Carolina Reaper pepper, Trinidad scorpion pepper, ghost pepper, jalapeno seasoning, edible activated charcoal. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna try this. This is what happens when you get laid off. You just kind of have fun with life. Oh, it actually kind of smells good. Oh boy. Oh Jesus. Okay. All right. Down the hatch. Yeah. That's hot. There's a little it's got some heat to it. Oh man. Oh no. I got the hiccups. Ow. Yeah, that's hot. I don't like that. Ow. Oh, milk was a good choice. The milk's only good as it's in your mouth. Oh. Oh. Whatever. Oh. I'm sweating. Okay. That was hot.